avocado, some soaked pumpkin seed.
Pumpkin seed.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin seed full of zinc.
Okay. Alright.
So make a man pump work.
Whoa! No, what to use. So yes, in the Sunfired House of Life kitchen creating a salad, I'm assisting today.
Supervisor as always.
And Dr. Aris
Latham
is watching us.
Right?
to see if we
The students are learning.
Right.
So what we have here, guys, is some yellow chard. So we're just taking the leaves off, the food off the stem. Yeah. And we're not throwing away these because they can be used for
Juicy!
Right, so Stacia does the yellow one. And then we have right here some dinosaur kale. Dinosaur kale. So we're taking off the leaves.
And then what's the name?
Well, me never see them before we come here. So I guess they have different kale. Yeah? I'm used to the little curly ones. Cool? Alright, so you can finish the dinosaur kale and I'll cut up the lettuce. We'll see what she do, right? Because supervisor then sometimes they normally know what to do, you know.
Lie.
You don't never have them people at the workplace supervise, manage, and can't do the job. Alright, so we're going to cut up some lettuce here. Now this, let me see the lettuce here. Purple and all this color. Right? Another thing to note, guys, when you're doing your salad, cut it small.
You hear that, Dr. Aris?
Yeah.
Share, learn.
Yeah.
Cut it small so it's easier on the mouth and easier on chewing. Cool? Can the phone and chew the food properly. So we're just gonna hold it tight, and then we're gonna cut. The top students, A. We're gonna honor roll.
You know, come join me or you know, it's alright.
One of the A students. She's a principal's list.
Dean's list.
Dean's list A.
So this is Tiffany.
We have Tiffany in the house. Out of
Tell
Washington.
them where them can find me, Tiffany.
You can find me on IG at organic_holistic_methods. Organic_holistic_methods.
Alright.
Right. So
Tiffany is Dean's list. So, you know.
So we're gonna put this in the salad.
Okay.
See, so all this greenery. So guys, we've been doing things a little bit different, or you can say I used to put all these things in the salad, but it's hard to chew and digest. So we're gonna juice them, right? So put them over here. And we're gonna put my lettuce in the bowl. And we're gonna do the same thing to the chard and the kale. We're gonna hold it tight. And we're just gonna. So you're just gonna grab a knife and cut those in four. These are some yellow tomatoes. Yeah, just put all the ingredients. Put all the leaves of the tomato, the dry leaf of the tomato. And we're going to put them in four, right?
you.
Tell her to go to the supervisor.
But you never know so he's a big chef.
I'm glad I use it, you see?
Estúpida que es.
Alright, so now we have the greens all done. Tiffany, can you get me about 4 or 5 avocados, please?
How much of this you want?
About 12? There's about 3 or something.
No, pero la cosa para mí, lo más feo es que ella me está llamando para decirme que no llego al ferry. Y yo le dije, déjame hablar con la gente, no que no de comprar. Y que déjame hablar con ella. Ah, yo estoy en el carro, estoy en el carro. Ya, desde ahí se empezó todo conmigo. Tú estás en
the avocados.
y tú estás, y ese hombre te está esperando media hora.
Adding some fat
No,
to
algo me está...
the salad. So we're just gonna take the avocado, twist it,
Quería
put
venir,
it
pero
up, so
tienes
just
que lo
tap
tienes
it,
una
twist it,
See,
and it's out. It's out.
No tiene disciplina, no tiene respeto. No,
never see you not in it. Can't assume so sit down and see.
ella tiene falta de respeto a su persona y a todos. No, esa ya... No es que no estaba preparada, ella está en otro mundo completamente. Ya. Pero no, ya eso es suficiente que ya... Por eso me estoy diciendo que
Alright, so,
espera.
okay, great. So we're gonna dice
Sí,
the
sabe algo.
avocados. I'm finished. I'm finished.
So to get it out easy,
No, pero ya,
we just
como te dije, ya. Ni es
dice
necesario que
it. I'm showing all of you.
perdemos el día.
And then we go across like this. Oopsie.
Voy a esperar.
Alright. Just wanted to show you.
Tuyo y algo.
Yeah, orange spatula.
Ella
And then after you makes it easier to come. Simple. So you can use a spoon.
Y va a venir la persona que ella tuvo su oportunidad.
You see, guys, this is nothing. I don't think this is. Some people say, you know, it's expensive. Not expensive. Look at vegetable, look at you can use pak choy, you have to use them big, something like kale or something. Look at pak choy can work. Have a lettuce. I know it's not avocado time, but you can put some coconut jelly for the fat if you want. Alright, and then well, Stacia finished doing that. Let me just clean up
Oh,
here.
really? Oh, really?
Look like you're doing fine.
And we get that pool ball, you know.
No veo ese cartoons ni nada.
And to top it off, look how you care.
Mundo de realidad completamente. Ese personaje siempre me dice algo. Yo creo que es algo serio, siempre. Pero si no es serio, cada uno dice que esto es una broma. Porque en realidad yo pierdo mi tiempo hablando de cosas que no tenemos valor.
So we're gonna put some salt, pumpkin seed.
Y algo que no te está ayudando a crecer, entonces te está ayudando a
Soak pumpkin seeds, and then we'll have our.
una manera así, muy ficticia, entonces no tengo tiempo para buscar instrucción.
Dr. Aris, you wanted to come for the coconut cream?
They want to cream them! The queens want cream! So why you say, Jamaica? Alright.
Put this in the center.
What we have?
So we have lettuce,
We have lettuce?
right? We have some dinosaur kale.
Dinosaur cake.
Yellow tomatoes, avocado, some soaked pumpkin seed.
Pumpkin seed.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Is it? Pumpkin?
Pumpkin seed is full of zinc.
Okay.
So
Alright.
make a man pump work.
Whoa! No, what for you?
But it's also is an herb
Okay.
because it strengthens the uterus, make it the wall strong so that it can take a fire.
Okay.
What?
Alright.
Alright. So
This is the coconut
so
cream,
they
the
asked me
creme de la creme.
They asked me to come cream them. They asked me to come cream
The
them.
skills, yeah.
Alright. So now cream
So
them.
this need any kind of stirring or anything?
No stirring needed.
Ooh.
The cream thick throughout.
Hey!
Throughout.
Is it creamy?
Down to the root.
Alright.
Alright. So y'all too old to bowl. But the cream heavy, you know.
Ah.
So let's show them. Alright. So here we go. Splash!
Whoa.
A cream splash. See how we do it, so.
Yeah.
And have the right amount of cream so that we can drain. Alright.
So we're gonna toss this. I put some of that in
Put
there.
olive
I
oil.
put olive oil in there.
So y'all do it right.
We're just
by
gonna-
me.
We're just gonna toss this around.
Alright. Okay, so let me make room.
Right?
Let me make room because this is a royal feast. It's a royal feast here. Make room for the royalty.
We're gonna just give it a little tweak.
But no, you don't need no kick.
Okay. No.
We have 4 kickers to go with it.
Oh,
yeah.
Ready? Alright. So we have the jerk.
Ooh, I have.
The
Ooh.
jerk garden egg. The jerk garden egg.
You see that?
Wow.
Jerk garden egg.
Wow. We have the Aki croquettes.
Whoa, Aki croquette.
Aki croquettes, yes. So,
Right.
this is how we do it.
Hey, this is how we do it.
Hey.
Vibes. Vibes.
We have the big foot in the house.
Ooh.
Big foot. Plant is in. The plant is in.
Yeah.
From plan to plant to planet to plant in.
Alright.
See with that?
Nice.
Yeah.
Family royalty.
Yeah, man.
This is how it flex.
Yeah. Yeah.
Plantain seafood.
Yeah,
Whoa.
man.
Aye.
Aki croquette,
Aki croquette.
What?
seasoned plantain, and
This
Jerk.
is the jerk. Eggplant.
Eggplant.
Yes.
And the
And our
green,
salad.
the green cream, the
ooh,
green
Cream.
cream for the queen to dream.
Egg.
Boom, family.
Boom.
You mix it again, you mix
yeah,
the
man, it
next
needs to
one.
come.
Alright. Man go, man no come.
Thank you for watching.
Bye, guys.
Live from the Sunfired House of Life in Taboga, Panama.